I mean, I have a great job as a stalker, but I'm kind of getting bored of that job now. I feel like I need a job that is nice and wonderful and fun that pays a good amount of money for me. Let's see. Maybe a book of a magazine, it would tell me what was the dream job for me. Let's see. Okay, so it tells me to go to this place called... Oh, okay. I guess I just go over there. I should just go now. Okay, so this is the place. I don't really understand why. It's called Fancy Furniture, and you're supposed to get a job here. Hello. Oh, hello, young girl. Are you here to shop for some furniture? Actually, no. I'm here to look for a job. Oh, a job, you say? Well, there's an option of jobs in the back. Here, let me go show you. Let's see, So there's this section of jobs I could do. This is the one I already went to. Janitor's clean. Lovely lumber. Pizza baker. Oh, I guess I do it. Okay, so, please don't add tomato sauce as cheese as vegetables. Yay. Well, I got at least, like, let's see, $238. I guess I just add my share. So I think I'm supposed to go there again? Okay, so I would like to get another job too. Okay, I guess it's teleporting to my job. Oh, I'm here. Hello. Okay, I think I'm supposed to clean this stuff up. Oh, hey, did it go? Almost use the same hair as me. Wow, haha. Awkward. So I can clean something else, whatever. Wow, so my, never mind. I pretty much like this job. I actually really like it. Oh, that was a long day of work. Well, I finally found my dream job still. That's the best part.